Kids Drawing and Learn.
Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Yellow color, blue color, purple color, orange color, red color, pink color, dark green color, light green color. A A A is for aeroplane. B B B is for balloon. C C is for cat. D D is for dog. E E is for egg. F F is for fish. G G is for goat. H H is for head. I is for eyes. J is for jam. K is for kite. L is for line. M is for man. N is for nest. O is for ostrich. P is for pear. Q is for quillum. R is for rose. S is for snake. T is for tank. U is for unicorn. V is for van. W is for waste. X is for X-ray. Y is for yarn. Z is for zigzag. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.